So we're gonna just stay friends in Miami till we make love in Argentina. Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It has been a very long time since I've got the camera and vlogged. Life and circumstances are very different now, and yeah, I just want to get back on my YouTube, man. So yeah, life update, me, media production company. I'm enjoying it, I'm loving every part of it. Booked, busy, can't complain, and I've been staying on top of it, man. This December I've pretty much left completely free. I've said, you know what, I'm gonna do what I want this whole month. And firstly, that's an amazing place to be, because not everyone can say, yo, I'm gonna take a whole month off and you're still gonna be all right. Do you know what I mean? So I think I'm gonna take a whole month off and I'm just gonna do passion projects. Anything I enjoy, anything I wanna take on, I will. And I think you guys can also be a part of that. So if there's anything cool that you guys think would look really like that, it's just creatively sick to shoot. Obviously I've got to be passionate about it as well and want to do it, otherwise you won't get the best out of me in doing it, or I just won't take it on. But I just think, yeah, man, like, why not? Yeah. Couldn't just wait, bro. You couldn't just wait, my guy. Get a pan drone shot. Cool. Safe.
Prototypes, it's $1 million insurance or insurance, way more than Geico. Last year I was touring, now I'm back in Europe, it's a cycle. I can see the influence that I'm doing.
So Troy's actually shot some stuff for us in Birmingham before, and yeah, but this is the first time we're sort of doing something quite like editorial. Me and you can go to the like head office bit in Birmingham, and you can just upload onto.
That's fine.
And then I'll take it.
Is that all? Yeah.
Yeah. Looking forward to working with you again.
Got one with this one, Melody.
Glass.
Have you seen that like compilation on the fucking Instagram? My man's like,
Oh yeah, you
that
sent
rich
it.
millionaire.
It's good to be back, man.
Good lad. You know, seeing you twice in a week, yeah, it's crazy. It's been about 5 years since I've seen you twice in a week. About 5 years ago, I've seen you like 6 times a week.
No, we used to do bare days. How many days a week?
Every single day. What do you mean, lockdown?
Oh
You
yeah.
didn't miss a day, bro?
Yo, lockdown was trenches for me.
Makes more sense, doesn't it?
I'm gonna cry this bitch. Gaffer tape, so deliverables, free train branding, and then socks. That's gonna be a post. Try and work out 6 grid. 6 grid upload. So we're gonna have the main Christmas video, some stills of Santa, product shots on location. This will be like a casual swipe carousel, but there's a blip of Christmassy shit going on. Clean visuals of the model in location with a little gradient. This will just be slightly different to the location. BTS images, BTS visuals, and that should be everything around that Christmas campaign, and then we'll lead on to everything in regards to shooting. So shoot the campaign, shoot images, shoot the campaign, shoot the images, producer, set design, props, call sheet, and then BTS we might talk with Jack, James and Jack might meet up on that. Cool. I'm really happy with that. And then I think he's saying, I think I'll need an assistant. So much to actually think about. Phone's going off. Landscape and portrait of everything. Yeah, let's just put that in the deliverables for everything. Everything needs to be landscape and portrait, and then yeah, cool. Calm. So now I'm gonna put this into Milanote. This main center video, BTS images of the team.
Yeah, and then when the money actually comes, it's like, yo, like we got this budget and we're doing this project, and it's kind of like it was like that with Geek Files as well, and like all the directors that I kind of like started with.
Yeah.
Like it always feels way better than like, you know, if you just get shouted by someone who's already in the industry and I'm already in the industry.
Yeah.
And like, they're, you know what I mean? And then it's like you got to deal with like all the like agency and all of that.
Yeah.
Like applying to a production company. And
I get a job in that you're DPing and I've got a gaffer. Like I want to have like a set of people that just do what they do, and I shout you and you're like my core team of who helps me just do what I need to do for sign. Yeah. Do you get it?
Yeah.
So yeah, bro, sounds sick. And if I'm honest, bro, you like opened the mad door for me, if I'm honest, because like I felt like I was looking for someone like you, but didn't know that's what you were called, or do you know what I'm saying? I didn't know it was a DP that I'm looking for or whatever.
Open to that, maybe even seeing me work, you'll learn a few things, like, and that might be end up where you like start liking more. But it's just like it will. I was like, let me just see what kind of direction you're trying to take.
Yeah.
I guess this is your chance to find out what you like in terms of, because I guess it's your first time like kind of experimenting with the DP. Every director is different, right? So some directors will be like, they'll know exactly how they want it to feel and they'll story or whatever, like especially sometimes on narrative, and they'll be like, they'll want you on the call while making the shot list.
And I'll just drop you a message back, bro.
Yeah, sick.
Yeah? Okay, then cool. I'm gonna let these guys know about it as well, that
cool.
We'll potentially like create our own little spec. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. Alright then, bro. I'll give you a shout, man. It's good speaking to you, man.
Yeah.
Alright, okay. See you in a bit, bro. Yo. So I just had a call with a DP, which is really cool because essentially I've been trying to build a team. As I said, I'm trying to find a set number of people that can be within my team to help in pushing from all aspects of things, putting together commercials, shooting the commercial, producers, gaffers, ACs. I've literally learned all of that on the call just, and I've never gone uni or whatever, but it's things like that where I'm just like, raw, like God is good, man, because I feel like that's what I've been looking for, and it's like it's just handed itself to me. So I'm gonna put something together, and we're gonna put together a whole campaign, man. It's gonna be sick. It's going to be sick. Let's do this, man. Sign projects. Let's get it going.